I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to create a Google site from your phone now. First, sign into the Google account you want to publish from. Make sure sync is enabled so your files appear. Next, open Sites. Google.com/new in your browser or launch the Google Sites app if you have it. Once there, pick a template or start blank, give the site a clear name, and select a mobile-friendly layout so content fits. Now tap to create and we'll add content. Now build the site structure. Tap Pages and add Home, About, Contact, or whatever your structure needs. You can reorder pages by dragging their handles. This controls the navigation order. Once pages exist, open Insert to add text boxes, images from your phone or drive, embedded maps, or forms. Use the section layout controls to switch between single-column and two-column formats and set background images for visual hierarchy. Make sure to check mobile alignment so elements don't overlap. You're almost done. Tap Publish, choose a site address, and set who can view it, anyone with the link or specific people. Once published, use Preview to view the site in mobile mode and check spacing, fonts, and image scaling. Adjust sections or image settings if things look off. If content doesn't appear after publishing, clear your browser cache, verify Drive file permissions, then republish. Finally, test links and forms on another device to confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.